Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? We are live here in Parkal Mall. So, this is a new mall around Parañaque. Medyo malapit lang siya sa MOA. And we are attending this event, this Big Bad Wolf book event. And kasama natin si Love, as you can see. Siya kasi yung collector ng mga books. So, I accompanied her for her book checking, book scanning, book buying, and tagatulak niya ako ng cart. So, samahan natin siya. Malaki tong event na to, guys. It's a 2-section event. So, may kids section, then may for adult and young adults. Meron din silang iba't ibang klaseng items like tong mga pins and anime posters. So, papunta kami dun sa kabila kasi kids section to. So, let's go. And we are here in the second section of the book fair event. And as you can see, dito yung mga young adult and adult. Yan yung mga book lovers natin. Sobrang dami. Together with a lots of books. And as you can see, ayan si Love. Hindi siya maganda. Mayaw kung saan siya titingin. Saan siya pupunta. Kasi naman talagang napakaraming libro. Plus, the price itself is very, very bargain. So, as you can see, sealed pa yung mga books na yan. And these books starts lowest 20 pesos yung nakita ko. Sealed yun, brand new, and talagang napakarami pa. Okay? So, ang ganda na ito for book lovers. Yung event na to talagang solid for them. Kita naman siguro kay Love na kung saan na pumupunta to find very well-known books and good particular books. So, hindi lang dyan, meron pa dito. And ito yung mga samples. Sealed din tong mga to. Like, ayan kay Tom Clancy. And some other novels. Then ito, mga self-help type of books. General books. So, again, start 20 pesos lang yung mga yan. Then, pataas ng pataas, of course. The higher the value, the latest it is. The good quality it is. But overall, even the lowest price, still sealed, brand new, and kung book lover ka and gusto mong mag-hoard, this is your chance. So, ayan yung cashier, ang dami nang nakapila to pay. So, nandito lang ako sa history books, checking kung anong meron. Normally, this time, black history yung meron sila and about Hitler. So, medyo limited yung history books at this time. And ito yung part na naliligaw na ako. Nawawala si Love, nag-iikot kasi siya. Pero nakita ko naman siya in a long time. Bandang magbabayad na kami. So, ito lang yun, guys. Overall, very good event for book lovers. A must go talaga tong Big Bad Wolf. Kita-kits.